Hello, I'm Patty Clayton, and in this month's Dairy Market video, I'll be covering the key points from our 2022 Dairy Market Outlook. The main theme affecting markets in recent months is the inflation in input costs, and this looks to continue into the new year. Processors and farmers alike have been feeling the strain, with costs across a wide range of inputs running high. With little relief in energy prices in sight, and some way to go before supply chains are expected to return to normal, we think this trend will continue, at least through the first part of the year. The effect of the high costs was a drop in yields in late 2021, in contrast to the usual year-on-year improvements we see at that time of year. Labour shortages may also have contributed to the lower yields, with some farms having to reduce milking frequency. As a result, we've downgraded our production forecast for the 2021-22 season to end up 1.2% lower than the previous year. Now, the recent increases in milk contract prices may help to incentivize some higher yields, but only if they can outpace input cost inflation. However, once yields are reduced, it is hard to bring them back until a cow calves again, and therefore we're expecting the reduced yields of 2021 to continue into this year. Improvements should begin to come through in the spring as more cows begin to calf. From a calendar year perspective, we're expecting GB milk production in the 2022 year to total 12.5 billion litres, which is 0.3% up on 2021. But what does this all mean for the markets? Well, the recent hikes we've seen in market returns for dairy products has been due to the tight milk supply situation, both here in the UK and in most key milk exporting countries. With only minimal growth for these regions expected in 2022, supplies are likely to remain tight. And lending further support to markets is the inflationary pressures on manufacturers and further recovery of demand as COVID restrictions ease. These higher market returns should, in turn, mean farmgate prices will remain supported. However, with costs also set to stay high, we may not see the supply response from farmers that normally occurs from higher prices. You can find the full dairy outlook, along with outlooks for our other sectors, on the AHDB website. You'll find the link in the description below. You can also go to our website to subscribe to our Dairy Market Weekly newsletter and receive an update into your inbox every Thursday.